Hey everybody, how's it going? How's it going? It's Andre. Where's Cool Dre? I'm in Japan, I'm in Tokyo, and yeah, today's my last day. So just kind of reflecting, sitting here. So currently I'm in Roppongi right now, and that's kind of like the most foreign area of Tokyo. It's a nice area too. It kind of reminds me a little bit of Ginza. I think it's right next door to Ginza. I'm not too sure, but it's the most foreign part of Tokyo here. But I hear at night it turns into a club. So I guess one of those safe by day and posh business like, and then at night I guess it's a different world or something. So anyway, that's just what I've heard. But anyway, let me flip the camera here and you can see what I'm seeing here. So yes, so I'm just taking a break. I went inside the Fuji Museum and it's totally free. And I wanted to film in there, but they don't allow filming nor photography. Ironic. It's very ironic compared to saying it's basically a photography, Fuji. I mean, photography, pictures, you think you would be able to at least film in there, but I guess or even just take pictures, but I guess you can't. So, but anyway, that's what it looks like here, Fuji Film Square. And they have basically galleries of, different photographers here in Japan. And yeah, it's very nice, very beautiful how they have it, mostly outdoor photography. But I also like, just a nice little tree. I just noticed this tree here. But yeah, they have basically photographs. There's a little museum from the very first cameras to the most recent cameras. And it's free. It's totally free and it's awesome. It's like, if you're really into cameras and camera history and photography, great place to go. And yeah, I just also like just the architecture here. It's all the lines here, if you're looking from a design point of view here. Different lines, cool, really cool background over here. I'm pointing right there. So yeah, tall building, trees and stuff, and even this, just sitting here, very cool, very cool. So yeah, just sitting here, just reflecting. There's a Starbucks. I think that's the station down there. I think down there's like a mall too. A lot of underground malls too over here in Tokyo. But very cool, very cool. So let me flip the camera around and there we go. So I would just say, like, in the future, if you ever want to come to Tokyo or just Japan in general, they're very, I'm sure other YouTube vloggers have, sneaked, photographing or video, recording. But most of the museums, you're not allowed to take photography or record. And you'll notice they'll either spell it out in English or Korean or Japanese, or you'll just see like a symbol that says, you'll see like a little symbol of a camera or like a video camera, and it'll just have like a no on it, or like a little, like it's striked out. So yeah, so basically, yeah, so it was kind of a bummer. I was hoping to film or at least take some photos, but they don't allow it though. So, but anyway, you have to do what the locals do. You have to adhere to the laws there, laws of the land. And I didn't want to get kicked out. They had a garden there too. So yeah, you don't want to, embarrass yourself or just embarrass where you're from or be that foreigner, that person, that tourist that doesn't care and kind of takes advantage. So yeah, so you just want to adhere to the local laws there. So anyway, let's see, what was I going to say? Okay, so I'm on my way to this like little anime gate. I forgot the name of it. It's called the, let me look at my phone here. Let's see how prepared I am here. So basically, this is going to be called, I'm heading near let me go back here. Let me take it off airplane mode, actually. Let me see. All right, here we go. I think that's popping up here. Here, blah, 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 blah. What's it called? The Anime Gate, I think it's called. Let me just type it in anime. Anyway, it's like a little gate, basically, and it has it's like an outdoor exhibit, I think, and maybe partially inside, but it's like another tourist attraction. But hey, I don't care. It's animated. I saw like different characters and and sculpture. I think it had Astro Boy. Just looking at the Google Maps thing, but I'm gonna go there. I like anime. Why not? So I'm going to do that and check that out and do some filming out there, unless they say no filming. That's just one of the frustrating things of being in Japan too. It's just you're not allowed to film. So heck, I'm just worried I'm not even allowed to sit on this thing. You just don't know you know. So I hope I'm allowed to sit on this. So I'll stand up just in case. But okay, that's gonna be it for now, and I'm gonna head there now. It is right now a little cold and a little cool and cloudy, and yeah, and it rained a little bit too. So yeah, today's like, and this is May. We're talking like, it's like mid-May as of this recording. So yeah, it's a little gloomy, but not too bad. Okay, guys, that's it. And oh yeah, basically, what was I gonna say? Yeah, it's gonna be kind of sad leaving Japan. So kind of, I mean, been here for 2 weeks now, so it's hard to believe. But yeah, it's cool. It's like, it's one of these, Tokyo's it's just one of these cities that it's so like eco-friendly, I would say, like or just all of Japan in general. But when you think of Tokyo, you think of like high-tech stuff, and everything's so clean, and there's nothing. Like, I'm looking around here and just, they're on it, you know, like as far as cleanliness goes. Like, there's not a crumb, a breadcrumb, or like a, you know, like any trash whatsoever. And the thing is, there's no trash cans around, you know. That's another thing too at Tokyo. It's like there's no trash cans. So if you have trash, I mean, where do you throw it away? You know, I think sometimes they have trash cans near the metro station, but I think it's geared for like, if you want to eat something, you gotta like go to like a restaurant and eat it. You can't just take it to go. You gotta eat inside. And I haven't, yeah, that's what I've noticed. And then they have the vending machines, and they have like recycle bins right by the vending machine. So if you get something to drink, you can drink it there and just throw it away there. But as far as looking for vending machines, like I mean, not vending machines, but recycle bins to throw your stuff away, good luck with that. I haven't seen any. Like for instance, I'll show you. I bought this little coffee from a vending machine a long time ago, and I haven't been able to find a recycle bin. So it's this little can here, and it was like 100 yen, so which is like 80 cents, I think, maybe, if you do the math. 70 cents for a little thing of coffee here. So I'm just gonna put this back, and I'll just tote this around until I find something. But yeah, there's no trash cans. That's the only kind of a bummer. Or they're rare. It's like one of those rare things. Give me 1 second here. Let me just, yes, I finally put back my can there. Having little technical difficulties. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off. What was I rambling about? I was rambling about yeah, trying to find like a recycle thing in trash cans. Yeah. So yeah, so that's rare, a rare commodity here. I think it's funny, and it's so clean. Like, how do they do it? I think they just have workers with their own trash can in hand or something to get the trash out, or people just know not to do it. Okay, that's it. Talk to you later. Hey everybody, so I'm at the Oizumi Anime Gate here, and it's a little place that's dedicated to anime here. So I figured, why not? I like anime, anime's cool, and it's free. So anyway, here we go. The Japan animation birthplace. So it's a little timeline here. Naruma related animes. So let's take a look here. So we got 1958, then we got 63 with Astro Boy here, and then we got 1963. So I'm just gonna just run over these. That cub, the lion cub thing, was rumored to be like the inspiration for the Lion King for Disney. I do believe it, you know. So keep on going here. Go through the timeline here. Some of these I don't even know. So, but it's just cool to see though the evolution of anime. So Puss in Boots there. Yeah, these are cool actually. Even if I don't even know the anime, just the pictures, the artwork is just cool by itself. So here we are in the 70s now, and then yes, it's the timeline. So let's go back. So yeah, 60s right here. We got the 60s era, 60s era. Right here in 58. 58's the first one here, 1958. So 60s again, and then 70s here. So here we go, 70s. So I guess this is where we get introduced to like the mecha, the mecha period. And then here, I've seen this before. I just don't know what the English name is. I forgot what it means. I forgot like the name of the English name of it. I think it's, and then here we go, 79. So yeah, so I've been actually watching this series here, Galaxy Express 999. I just started it, and I didn't even know about it. Just discovered it online, and a lot of episodes, very interesting. In a nutshell, he goes to wants to go get a mechanical body, and yeah, so there's like a lot of episodes, a lot of seasons. It's a TV series. And it's basically each episode just chronicles their different adventures I think the kid's name is Tatsuo, I think, and the woman is his guardian, or decides to go with him. So each train stop they make is a different world, and they have adventures, and they're different planets. And then here's 1981, 83, 84, Fist of the North Star, I think that is. And yep, some more stuff here, more anime. 84, mid 80s here, Dragon Ball Z. I think this is Ramna and a half. I don't know, I could be wrong. Yeah, it is. I just started watching this too. Ramana and a half, I think it's called. I'm terrible. I don't know the names, or I kind of know the names, but the pronunciation, I'm butchering them. Sailor Moon, and this one, I forgot the name of this one too, but this is, but who knows? I don't even know the art. I just know I like the artwork. And then we got 1999 right here. We got this Digimon Adventure. This one, I think this is on Netflix. I'm not sure. And this one, I've seen this. I think this is like stop motion on that side right here. And it goes to 2004. Let's look at the sculptures. Let's go look at the mermaid again here. I think it's a mermaid. No, it's not a mermaid. So we got this right here going down. Oh, Yatsura. And then let's go ahead and see what else we got here before it gets crowded. This place gets very crowded. So is this a little bit of a break now? So we got Tomorrow's Joe. That's what it says. Reminds me of Glass Joe from Mike Tyson's Punch Out, if you guys remember that. Any old school NES Nintendo gamers here. And yep, here we go with the Galaxy 999. Galaxy Express 999, excuse me. Plaque right there, the characters. Very good, whoever did these sculptures. I'm sure it says it right here, but I can't read Japanese, so. And last but not least, Astro Boy here. Very cool. Got Astro Boy right here. I could stay in Japan forever. I think I've said that way too many times, but I think I can actually. And then just to give you guys perspective, like this is the subway station right here on this side. So it's clearly across if you want to come out and visit it here. It's kind of out of the central Tokyo. So I said if you're coming from like Shinjuku, expect at least a 40-minute to like an hour train ride if you get here by train. I think just plan on 50 minutes to an hour. I got lost. I got on the right train, but it was the wrong direction. So that's what happened. So it was a little bit of a delay. So it took me like a little over an hour to get here. So yeah, let me go ahead and flip it back. So tomorrow I take off, and I'm gonna try to make it to this animation museum. It's free. It's I kind of know where it is, but it'll be just kind of tight schedule-wise. So I may just bite the bullet and just go there. But if not, if I run out of time, it'll be an excuse to come back to Tokyo. You know, it'll be an excuse. I gotta find an excuse to come back. I'll come back. It's just a matter of when, and how much is in my budget, and where I'll be in months now, work-wise, and who knows, you know. So, okay, everyone, that's it for now, and I will go ahead and end this for now until I see you again later. Bye-bye.